Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to change your Facebook page category. This is so important. If you select wrong category to your business page, then this video can help you and you can edit or change your Facebook page category. Let's get started. Viewers, if you're first time here, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Step 1, log into your Facebook profile, and once you're here, you'll see an interface look like this, and click over pages. Then you will see all of your Facebook business page in here, and select one which one you want to edit or add. Once you are here, then click over settings, then click over page info, and in here you can change or you can add your category name. So for this time we can add, in a Facebook business page you have option to add 3 categories. So if you want to remove your existing category, then you have to add your category first. For this time, like we want to add mental health service, then you can remove the existing one. Then you can add another 2 different categories. It will automatically save on your Facebook page and you will see your Facebook page category have changed. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.